Hi, I'm Susie Hall with the Cornerstone Collective, and today we are talking post-pandemic interior design. I'm excited to share with you an internal project that our design team has been working on since May. We named it the Nexus Project. The reason we named it that is because the definition of nexus is a connection or link between things, persons, or events, especially that is or is part of a chain of causation. You've heard me refer to the Nexus Project in an earlier video, so starting today, I'll share with you what this means and how it affects you, a hotel owner, developer, operator, or a hotel brand decision maker, or a guest or traveler. Our design team has identified dozens of important considerations in hotel guest rooms that we feel owners, operators, and design teams should be reevaluating and reselecting to help guests feel safe and healthy again, and to ensure that materials hold up to the highly rigorous new cleaning protocols that properties must provide. And they are providing them, I can tell you that without a doubt. The basic brand standard upholstery, bedding, and material selections just weren't designed to withstand this type of rigorous cleaning. And unfortunately, we're going to start to see those fall apart in the next year or two because they just weren't made that way. There are cleaning agents out there that are COVID responsive, higher dilutions of bleach, and these cleaning agents and methods are already wreaking havoc on these materials. A lot of hotels and properties are doing an amazing job with the tools that they have. And Cornerstone is out to partner with you to improve your understanding and approach to solving this industry challenge. Please comment below, send us an email, and remember, collectively, we're stronger.